Why, hello there. Welcome to my kingdom. Queendom. We don't know. Anyways, guys, I did this quick last minute tutorial of Queen of Hearts and it was actually really easy. So if you're looking for like a last minute makeup look, something to just throw together, this one is it. It was really simple. Just keep watching to see how I get all of this. All right, we got a lot of paints and stuff going on our face. I'm going to start by using my Natasha Denona Magic Primer Anti-Shine Flawless Face Base. This is the primer for oily skin, but we're going to be putting on a lot of like heavy paints. So this one's really going to give the paint something to hold on to and make sure that we don't get shiny. So I already have this on my face and I just press it in until it starts to get tacky and you can kind of feel it. So what I'm going to start out doing is I'm going to trace my face with this Artist Color Pencil from Makeup Forever in All Around White. And this is just going to give us our shape of our heart. It's okay if we mess up. This part can be corrected later. So we're going to start on our forehead. And I might even want to bring it up higher. We're kind of just getting a vibe right now. And we're going to take it all the way around. See, we're already uneven, but that's why we do this first. That way we don't mess it up later. So now we have the top part done. We're still going to add a brown to this and we're still going to fill this in, but this is really going to give us a nice guide. So we're going to take this through here. And this is why I love the white, because even if we mess up, we literally just wipe it right away. And I'm following my picture. Now we're going to bring this down. We're going to do the same on this side. And we're going to bring it to a semi point on our face, like so. Ooh, that wasn't bad, y'all. And then we'll just go back over. And connect it. So we have the initial outline. As you can see, I kind of did my face to a more heart-shaped shape down here. So I'm gonna go in and make sure everything's perfect. We're already primed. Now I think we're ready to go on to the filling in the heart and doing the eye makeup. You guys have no idea how ecstatic I was when I realized that I had this concealer to do this look. This is the Cover FX Power Play Concealer in the shade White, and it's literally going to be so full coverage and so perfect for this. It's what made me want to do this look even more. So we're just going to go ahead and coat our face. We're obviously going to use a lot. This is a costume. And we're just going to fill in the heart. We'll say that's enough for right now. I'm going to grab a dry beauty blender. This is dry, and I like to do this when I'm doing this type of look. And we're just going to fill this in. I'm going to go over the eye as well. This will be our eyeshadow base. So we just basically want to white out our entire face. Try not to go out of the lines. If you do a little bit, we can correct that with a wet wipe. But try not to, but we still are going to put a nice brown border. This is literally perfect. Now I'm just going to take a wet wipe and just go around the edges. Again, we're still going to put a pretty brown shadow and paint around the edges here, but we just want to make sure it's pretty sharp and that we didn't go too far out of the lines. I think we did a pretty good job. Okay guys, I'm taking Huda powder, translucent powder in the shade Sugar Cookie. It's the white one. It's very white. Cornstarch white, some might say. And I'm just going to press this everywhere just to set the concealer, because we are going to still add some blush and some eyeshadow. So we'll set our lids as well. Our eyebrows are going to be done in black because it's going to match the black wig. This is going to be a very extravagant look. So this is not normally how I would do my brows, but it's Halloween. We're just switching things up. Look how beautiful that made the the concealer look. And we're just going to continue to press this in. So we're gonna do a very simple, just brown eyeshadow, white lid kind of vibe. I'm going off a picture here I found on Pinterest. So this is what it does. This is the NARS Shadow in Hammamet. Yes, Hammamet 1. And we're gonna be using all NARS shadows because they're just so flippin' smooth and they're not gonna let me down. And the eyebrows come down way far, so we don't have to worry about bringing this too far out. Perfect. And then I'm just gonna grab a deeper one. Let me find it first. So we have the shade Noumea. I have no idea. Noumea. Also NARS, beautiful shade. And then we're gonna use one more darker one in the crease, and I'll switch to a little bit smaller brush. Now I'm taking the NARS Shadow New York, and I'm just gonna trace this in my crease. And we're not even really doing a cut crease. I'm gonna add a little bit more white eyeshadow on my lid, and it's still gonna be a little, the word muddy is probably not right, but it's not gonna be super defined because that's not the way it looks in the picture. It's just kind of like a nice defined brown eye. Taking NARS Pandora 1 and a Sigma E55, I'm going to pat this onto the lid. Again, it's not a cut crease. We're still gonna add wing liner, and that'll correct a lot. And then I think I just got an idea to do something with the liner, so I've got some ideas. We're moving on to liner. Now I'm taking a white eyeliner. This is actually the Kat Von D 24-Hour Super Brow in Whiteout. And I'm just taking a little pencil brush, and we're just going to, I like to go with the white first. That way you don't have to feel as like cautious about outlining the black. And we're just gonna do a very swoopy 1950s wing. Real swoopy like. All right guys, I'm taking my Kat Von D dagger liner, and we're just going to put this right underneath the white and fill it in. I really like these lashes because they're tapered. These are the new House of Lashes Midnight Luxe. I really think that's the name, but it's their newest lashes, and it has something to do with midnight. And now there's lash glue on my hand. We're getting somewhere, guys. We're getting somewhere. This is actually a pretty easy look to do. I'm just gonna throw my lash glue on, and we're gonna let this dry, and we're gonna start on the brows. Okay, I'm gonna take a spoolie, and I'm just gonna brush my brows up. Now this is a very exaggerated, wild, out of control look. I do not usually put black eyeliner in my eyebrows, but for this look, they're gonna be very exaggerated. In fact, I'll show you the picture that I'm going off of. I might not even make them this exaggerated, but it's gonna be so beautiful and just a costume vibe. So we're getting there. So let's do our brows, and I'm just gonna use the tattoo liner, the dagger liner again from Kat Von D. Finding my mirror. And I'm gonna start by lining the bottom. We might need to grab some Inglot. We're gonna grab Inglot gel liner, and we're gonna dip this into this because it's not gonna be dark enough. Boom. Inglot gel liner number 77 on the dagger liner. And we're gonna start to paint this into the brows. I mean, any excuse to do something different to my brows. Put on our lashes. These are, yeah, you're literally whistling Bach at the moment. He can't be tamed. So I'm just gonna throw my lashes on.
Bach to the YouTube.
All right, Fraser, you need to calm down. Although I am.
Baby, you're moving so much I can't even focus.
I'm just so excited.
Get Bach and focus.
Okay. He might not be here when this comes back on. Now we're just gonna trace around our heart shape of the white. And don't worry, because we're gonna blend this out with eyeshadow still. So you can be a little messy, but you do wanna keep it cleaner towards the white.
I can't see.
Ooh, bye. Me neither, because somebody come do this for me. Still doing the same thing, and Ben just cannot stop. He can't be tamed.
I didn't know you were doing a YouTube.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna continue to build this up and make sure it's very clean around the white. Still using the same product and the same brush. I'm not sure if I told you the product. I don't know where I'm at in this, but I'm using this Makeup Forever Aqua XL. This is M56, so it's a beautiful matte brown. And I'm just tracing this around here with a Sigma Tight Line Liner E16 brush. And then I'm just gonna take this and kind of just clean up around the edges. So easy.
Scratching the mic.
Ooh, I'm scratchy. All right, guys, I'm just gonna put this same same eyeliner pencil on my waterline.
You talk to him?
Okay, all right, guys, I'm just gonna take my Armani Luminous Silk Foundation and just go right around our border. This is also gonna help it melt into our skin more. And I'm gonna take it all the way where my skin is showing. All right, guys, I'm taking this Sigma blush palette and I'm gonna use the shade Tiger Lily. And I'm just going to really pat this on. I'm putting it at the farthest end of the white on the cheekbones. And we're gonna load this on. I might actually pop into this one too. There we go. So as long as it's orangey. I'm doing Kylie Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in Mary Jo K.
You might want to tell him you put all your stuff on.
No, I came this way. I've been wearing this the whole time. Y'all just weren't paying attention. The wig is from Powder Room D. I'm actually not done adjusting it. And then my mom made my bustier, and she made this adorable crown.
But I can show the crown. Let me see the bustier.
I'm a little sunburned. What happened was I'm a Cabana girl. I keep telling y'all. Now I'm taking this gloss from NARS. It's called Red District. And we're gonna paint this on. Just popped on this adorable Milk Liner tattoo stamp. And I think I'm gonna do a few minor adjustments and we're gonna call this done. All right, guys, this is the finished look, Queen of Hearts. I've been wanting to do this look forever. It's actually really, really simple, last minute idea. And then you're gonna go around and bonk people with this. Come here, Ben. Bonk, 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 bonk. I'm actually gonna go to the Anastasia Halloween party this year and I'm gonna be Queen of Hearts, but I'm not gonna do this because this would be really uncomfortable all night long. Actually, with that concealer, it really just feels like normal makeup. I'm really surprised. The only thing I can't live with is this gloss. This gloss makes me wanna do this. Just like that. Ben says, no, stop this. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this look. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. If not, thank you for subscribing. I love you guys so much. See you in my next tutorial.